Jai Hind friends, today I am going to tell you the method what I have applied to learn English language. The method is action and non-action. We have to focus action and non-action while speaking in English language. What are the action and non-action? In English language, there are two types of sentences. One is action type and second is non-action type. We have to focus both the sentences. One is action type sentence and second is non-action type sentences. And we are going to explain what is the real meaning of action type sentences. In action type sentences, action happens, and in non-action type sentences there is no action happens. Simple. And for example, I am speaking with you. This is kind of action type sentences. And for example, I am in this room. This is kind of non-action type sentences. And in English language, there are four types of sentences. There are four types of action. One is simple action, second is continuity action, and third one is completed action, and fourth one is continuity with time action. And we have to focus on the action. For example, simple action. If we talk about simple action, what is the real meaning of simple action? In present indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense and present indefinite tense is the simple action. For example, I speak in English. This is type of simple action. The work which does on the daily basis, that comes in present indefinite tense, and present indefinite tense is simple action. And for future we have simple action, that is will or shall. We have to develop sentences with will and shall for simple future tense. For example, I will make video. This is kind of simple action which will happen in future. So this is kind of simple action for future. And if we talk about simple action for present, then in that condition we have to use present indefinite tense. And what is the continuity action? Continuity action, the work which is going on at the time of speaking, that comes in present continuous tense. And present continuous tense is the continuity action. If we talk about past continuity action, in that condition we have to use was were. And if we talk about future continuity action, in that condition we have to use will be, shall be. And in the same way we have continuity with time action. And what is the means of continuity and with time action? Continuity with time action, for example, that I am speaking. This is kind of continuity action, and I have been speaking for 2 hours. This is kind of continuity with time action. And if we talk about completed action, in that situation we have completed action. There are three types of completed action. One is from present completed action, and second is past completed action, and third one is future completed action. For present completed action we have to use has, have plus third form of the verb. And for past completed action we have two sentences. We have two types of sentences that will help us to make past completed action. One is past indefinite tense and second is past perfect tense. For example, I came here and I had come here. This is kind of example that that comes in past completed action. And if we talk about future completed action, in that situation we have to use will have plus third form of the verb. For example, I will have completed my work by tomorrow. This is kind of future completed action. So we have to focus on the action. Just we have to focus on the action. If we focus on the action, and action will help us to learn English language, to speak English language. We have to focus on the action, and by using the action we can simply express our thinking, our desire, our opinion English language, friends.